Hi everybody, very good evening. What's up, what's up? Can you all see me and hear me? Wait a second, let me see. Hi guys. Hello, very good evening and a warm welcome to Vedantu JEE English. This is your Master Teacher Nabamita Mam and today we are going to solve problems from the chapter B block. Yes. Hi Smart Hack, very good evening. Quickly go call up your friends so that we can start everyone. Yes, like I just told you, here is a little introduction about myself. My name is Nabamita Bhattacharjee and I have been teaching since a little more than 3 years, and before getting into this whole teaching field, I used to be a research associate in IIT Guwahati, as I have told you already. I've completed my masters in nanoscience and technology and I have completed my bachelor's in education and all of that. So I'm a trained teacher and I can teach you in government schools as well, but Vedanta is more fun, right? So hi Kishant, hi 2K gamers, hello, very good evening and a happy new year everybody. A very happy new year. How did you all celebrate your new year? Did you all celebrate your new year? How was your 31st Eve? Or you just kept studying? What's going on? Hi Sai, hello everybody. Quickly go and call up your friends everyone. Let's start. Hi Deepthi. Here is the first question already. I am about to start but I just want to wait for like 2-3 minutes. Good evening Naga, good evening Deepthi. So much pressure for JEE mains, no, but don't take pressure, yeah, the exam is anyway almost here. Now instead of stressing, all you need to do is just revise and get through it, yes, don't worry about it. I'm good, hi John, how are you? Hi Jayanithan, hi Deepika, very good evening guys, very good evening. Shall we start then? I think let's start. Hi Manish, hello everybody. Okay, let's start, yeah. I can see that students are incoming. Yes, great. Hi referral and predictions, hello everybody. Hi Shibani, very good evening and a warm welcome everybody. Chalo, let's begin guys without much further ado. So the first question for today's session is JEE 2023 session starts 24th, 31st, whether all days. No Kishan, you won't have all days. See, there are at least minimum 10 lakh students who sit for the exam, right? Now it's not possible or it's not feasible for the government or anybody, for even NTA to take care of 10 lakh students in one day already, just one day. So what they do is they have given you a week whole time, and in between that time, in multiple cities all over India from 24 to 31st, around 2 lakh students they will keep sitting for it and they will clear their exam. I mean they will appear for the exam. Okay, all the days you will not have the exam. Okay, all the days you will not have the exam. Cool, thank you so much. Okay, so now the first question for everybody, let's focus up here. Okay, so the correct statement regarding group 13 element oxides are: boron trioxide is acidic. Yeah, that makes sense. Boron is a metalloid, or definitely not a metal, right? Boron is not a metal, correct? We know that. And we know that usually metallic oxides are basic in nature. Other non-metallic oxides, metalloid oxides, they are acidic in nature. So that makes sense. Yes, that makes sense, correct? Where is this thing? Yeah, here is my pen. So this makes sense, right? This makes sense. Now, oxides of aluminium and gallium are amphoteric. Absolutely, this also makes sense. This also makes sense, correct? Oxides of indium and thallium are basic, right? They are metals, so obviously that is also the correct answer. That means that option 1, 2 and 3, all of them are correct. That is the correct statement. Yes, Nikhil, may if 2 person apply at same time, will we get same center? Not very sure about it. That completely depends on how NTA wants to do it. I'm really not sure about it. Okay? Chalo, moving on. Now this question has come for JEE Main 2019, everybody. These are all, most of them are previous year questions, so please be very careful. I am going to provide you with the PDF so you can go through these explanations as well, and right now I am going to explain as well as solve it for you. Okay? The set in which compounds have different nature, okay? Different nature, everybody. Take a look at it, everyone. See. So BOH3, what is this? What is this? Orthoboric acid, right? Orthoboric acid, AlOH3. What is it? This is amphoteric. this is amphoteric and this is acidic, I'm saying, right? So don't you think that this is the answer? Isn't this the answer? Otherwise, see, orthoboric acid, this is also an acid, right? Beryllium and aluminium, both of them are amphoteric in nature. These both are basic in nature. So obviously option A is the correct answer. Am I right, everybody? Yes. Manish, very good. Well done, well done, well done. Yes. Got it? Got it? Yes. Teja, I have taken a lot of sessions, bacha, regarding this, and in fact, I am taking the P block. When I took the P block mind map, I told you which are the most important topics also. You have to go through those, okay? You have to go through those. Otherwise, I will try and get you another session which talks about this, okay? Right now, shall we focus on the problem solving? Because, you have to solve problems, let's face it. How much ever you know which question is coming, which topic is coming, all that does not matter until and unless you will not be able to solve. So, let's try to solve it. Make sense? Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Everybody got it, right? Everybody got it? Yes. Referral and predictions, which I'm not very sure. I have forgotten right now. Please visit the official website and check it out, okay? Please visit the official website and check it out. Now, okay. So, yeah. See, we were right. We were right. Option A is the correct answer. Moving on. Next question. Achha, diborane reacts independently with oxygen and water to produce what? To produce what? What does diborane? So, if B2H6 reacts with oxygen and if B2H6 reacts with water, what will it give you? Tell me. Chalo, let's write it down. B2H6 plus oxygen. What will it give you? Don't you think that it will give you B2O3 plus H2O? Am I right? Am I right? This is what you will get. This is what you will get, right? And the next one will be, okay, next one is B2H6 plus H2O. What will this give you? What will this give you? This will give you H3BO3 plus hydrogen gas, correct? So that means that option 1 again is the correct answer. Wow, what happened? Most of them are option 1 today. Yes, most of them are option 1 today. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Here is the chemical reaction as well, okay? Here is the chemical reaction which is balanced. You can check it out. Next question, everyone. The relative stability of +1 oxidation state of group 13 elements follows the order. Hey, you know that, right? Lower oxidation states become more predominant down the group. Down the group, the lower oxidation states become more relevant. Why? Because of inert pair effect. So tell me which one is the correct answer here? Which one is the correct answer here? The relative stability, the stability of +1 oxidation state will be more in the lower elements, right? So what is the correct answer? Option 1 is the correct answer. You think so? I don't think so, bacha. Indium comes before thallium, isn't it? Don't you think that option 2 will be the correct answer? Yes. First boron, then aluminium, then gallium, then indium, and then thallium. Thallium is at the bottom. So obviously +1 oxidation state will be more stable in case of thallium. Yes. Now here is a relatable question for you. There will be a relatable question for you in some time. Okay. Just remember this. Okay. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now next question is the number of 2 center 2 electron and 3 center 2 electron bonds in B2H6 respectively. Okay, let's make the structure and let's find it out. How is it done? How is it done, everybody? You know the answer, right? You all know the answer, isn't it? Chalo. B2H6. H. Here is one H. Then B again. Okay, so this is the structure. This is the structure. So for 3 center 2 electron, you understand that this is the 3 center 2 electron here. This is the 3 center 2 electron, correct? 1 and 2, okay? So that means there are 2 3 center 2 electron, correct? Then you are asked 2 center 2 electrons. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Solving it for you. See, 4 and 2 is the correct answer. So once again, option A. Something seems weird today. Why all option A is the correct answer? This is not done. Don't follow this rule in JEE exam. Don't think that, oh, first one is also option A, second one is also, and that maybe most of them are option A. Then keep clicking on option A. Don't do that. Solve it and answer. Okay, solve it and answer. Okay. Yes, 2 center 2 electron 4 are there, and 3 center 2 electron 2 are there. Okay, explain again. Explain again. You forgot about banana bond, bacha. Banana bond, do you remember banana bond? So here this is 3 centers. See, boron, 1 hydrogen, 1 boron. So 1, 2, 3. 3 center 2 electron. Okay, here also 3 center 1, 2, 3. 3 center 2 electron, but here 2 center 2 electron. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. Hi optimal learning. Happy New Year, bacha. Got it? Ghost gaming. We have studied this in P block. P block we have studied this. Okay. Here is also the explanation. You can take a look at it. Okay. Chalo, moving on. Next, the electronegativity of aluminium is similar to. Okay, you guys know this answer. Tell me. Very easy. You guys know this answer. Very, very, very easy. Tell me. If you can't tell me this answer, then I will suggest that you have to study a little more. Deepti Show, you are absolutely right. Why 3 though? Why is it option 3? What is the answer? What is the explanation? Why is it option 3? Why is it option 3? What do you all think? Kishore is telling me option 1. Ghost Gaming is telling me option 4. Why? Diagonal relationship, absolutely right. It is beryllium. Beryllium and aluminium, they have diagonal relationship. So yes, the electronegativity of aluminium will be similar to beryllium. Absolutely right, bacha. Absolutely right. Yes, very good. Next question. Aluminium is usually found in +3 oxidation state. In contrast, thallium exists in +1 and +3 oxidation state. This is due to, just explain this. Just explain this. Sometime back only I explained this. Why is it? Because of inert pair effect, my dear student. Yes, like I told you, as you go down the group, the lower oxidation states become more predominant. Yes, they become relatively more stable. Why? Because of inert pair effect. Yes, because of inert pair effect, they can only show, mostly they can show the lower oxidation state. Very good. Remember this, inert pair effect. Remember this. Next question, okay. The increasing order of atomic radii of the following group 13. You know the exception? Everybody, do you remember this exception? Now see, this has come in 2016 advanced question. Can you believe it? Such an easy question this is, right? It's an absolutely easy question. You know this, right? You just have to remember the exception. You just have to remember the exception. Now you remember, because in case, see, normally group 13 looks like this, right? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and then thallium, right? Right? However, here there is an exception, because in case of gallium, the d orbitals are introduced. Yes, d orbitals are introduced, and because of the introduction of d orbital, what happens? What happens? Yes, d orbitals have very poor shielding effect, right? And then what happens? The size becomes a little smaller. The size becomes a little smaller. So that means that gallium will have the least, then it will be aluminium, and then it will be indium, and then it will be thallium. I think I have made the signs wrong here. The signs are probably wrong. Yes. So that means that option, yeah, this is correct. Option 2 is correct. Isn't it? Option 2 is correct, right everybody? Agreed? Got it? Got it? No, Kishore bacha, you are saying it wrong. It's ulta. See, gallium will be smaller than aluminium, okay? Gallium will be smaller than aluminium, and indium and thallium, they have almost the same size. The size difference is not so much between them. Once again, because of f orbitals, because of the introduction of f orbitals, and f orbitals also have very poor shielding effect. That's why the size becomes smaller, okay? Alright, that is the correct answer. Chalo, well done, well done. Moving on. H3BO3. Yeah, we all know that. Orthoboric acid, what is it? It's a monobasic weak acid. So option A is the correct answer, isn't it? Option A is the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Right, bacha? Absolutely. 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 Chalo, moving on. In compounds of type ECl3, where E is boron, or it can be P, or it can be As, or it can be Bi, the angles Cl, E, Cl for different E are in the order. Any idea? Chalo, let's make it. If I make B, then it will be Cl, Cl and Cl, isn't it? So this has a trigonal planar structure with sp2 hybridization. Am I right, everybody? This has a trigonal planar structure. Yes? Which one? Once again say, how is it option B? This one. But we all know, no? Orthoboric acid is a monobasic weak Lewis acid. We have read this. This sentence is there even in your NCERT book. It's there. Okay? Chalo, anyway. Now see, this is trigonal planar and sp2. Now we know that this angle will be around what? 120 degree? 120 degree? Yes. Trigonal geometry, they have what? 120 degree. Am I right, everybody? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Does anybody remember it or not? Huh? Trigonal planar geometry has 120 degree. Do you remember this? Great. Okay. Now, if I make it for P, P will have a Cl, Cl, Cl and then lone pair here. What does this have? This has pyramidal geometry. This has pyramidal, this is pyramidal, yes, and sp3 hybridization, yes, sp3 hybridization. What is the angle here? What is the angle here? Does anybody remember it? What is the angle here? It's around 109.5 degree, 109.5 degree, isn't it? Right? 109.85 degree. Now, going down the group, what will happen? As the size of AS or Bi, it will increase. What will happen? What will happen? The angle, the bond angle will start decreasing. The bond angle will start decreasing. That means that option 2 makes sense. Am I right? Phosphorus, arsenic, bismuth, they all lie in the same group, isn't it? They all lie in the same group. So that means that as you go down the group, the bond angle reduces, whereas boron already has trigonal planar geometry and with 120 degree between 120 degree is the angle, right? So this makes sense, right? Option B makes sense, correct? Absolutely right. This is what is written here as well. Okay, this is what is written. When you are going through the slides, that time you can go through this explanation, okay? Right now I am anyway explaining it to you. Chalo, next question. Moderate electrical conductivity is shown by, hey, we know that silica does not show you electrical conductivity, graphite does show you electrical conductivity, diamond does not show any electrical conductivity. None of this cannot be right because graphite does show. This is super easy. AIEEE in 1982, this question has come for engineering. Can you imagine? Super easy. Super easy, right? You all go like, what? This question? Anyway, next question. The correct order of catenation. Do you remember what is catenation? Do you remember what is catenation? And catenation is something that we very closely relate to carbon, right? Carbon has the greatest catenation, isn't it? We know that because it can form, it can link and form like huge molecules and everything. Yes, it can link up, it can form chains, it can form branched and everything. So we know that carbon definitely has to have the highest. So that means that either this makes sense or option this makes sense. Option 1 and 3 make sense, but SN cannot come here. After carbon, it should be silicon, right? And then germanium and SN doesn't make sense. And you know, in that same group, plumbum cannot even form, plumbum does not even have the capacity to go for catenation. So down the group, catenation decreases. So that means that option 3 is the correct answer. Am I right? Am I right, everybody? Make sense? This makes sense? Are you guys understanding? Any confusion here? Any confusion? About catenation, we all know. It's very easy, right? It's very easy. Isn't it? Great. Good, good, good. Amazing. Alright. Okay. No, ma'am. I'm recent. But what do you think this is? 2019. How far was it? How far was 2019, Vicha? Not too much, no? Yeah. Not too much. This is only 2023. So it's only 4 years back. See? I have all the kinds of questions. It's a mix, right? There are some old questions also, there are some new questions also, okay? Chalo, moving on. The element that does not show I just told you the answer. I just told you the answer. In the same group, plumbum does not show catenation. Just told you. So option D is the correct answer, isn't it? Option D is the correct answer. Am I right? Am I right, everybody? Yes, we are right. Chalo, moving on. Next question. The element that shows great ability to form p-pi multiple bond. Again, we know this answer also. Anybody? Anybody? I think everybody, all of you can answer this. All of you can answer this. This is very easy. Very easy. Who can show p-pi? We all know that it is carbon. Carbon can show p-pi multiple bond, isn't it? Yes. Why? Why? Because carbon has a great ability to form p-pi because 2p orbitals can participate in it, right? 2p orbitals can participate in it. Also, the small size of carbon plays a significant role in this. Can you please explain what? Which one? Samanvita, which one? You have forgotten, bacha, group 14 carbon family. We spoke about this, right? p-pi bond. You have forgotten. Don't remember this. Carbon can form p-pi bond. We have studied this in group 14. In the first P block session that I have taken, we did this. This is very important. Very important. Also one of the basic questions, okay? Chalo, moving on. The amorphous form of silica is, okay, this, I'm not very sure if, I don't think it's written in your NCERT, but it might be, but do let me know. I think you can also eliminate and come to it. You can also eliminate and come to the right answer. No, ghost gaming, you are right, you are wrong. No. Quartz is crystalline, bacha. Quartz is crystalline. This is crystalline in nature. Alright. See, the name itself says cristobalite. That means this must also be somehow crystalline. This must also be somehow crystalline. Tridymite, this is also crystalline. This is also crystalline. Now, which one is remaining? Kyselgo, okay. This is amorphous. This is amorphous. That means option B is the correct answer. Okay, this is something that you have to know. I mean, this is, I don't have any explanation for this. We all know this, that tridymite, cristobalite and quartz, these are crystalline in nature, whereas Kyselgo, this is amorphous in nature. Okay, this is amorphous in nature. What is ghost gaming? Bro, don't tell me, are you sitting for a JEE exam this year? Like in January, are you sitting for it? Are you sitting for it? If yes, and if you do not know the meaning of amorphous, it's going to be tough. Which class are you in? That's weird. We're not saying that, I mean, if you do not know, then please wait up and then answer. I mean, and then sit for the exam. You are in 11th, Acha, that's why. But amorphous means powdery form. Okay? Amorphous means powdery form. Okay? Chalo, anyway. C60, and this has definitely come from what? This has come from your NCERT. We all know this. C60 and allotrope of carbon. What is this? What is this? You tell me. You know the answer. You know the answer, guys. You know the answer. Yes? What is it? What is it? Second option. Very good. 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons. We don't have anything to explain here. We all know the structure. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. It's a football form, isn't it? It's a football form, isn't it? JEE main safe score. I don't know. Every year it changes, bacha. Try your best and get done with it. Okay. Yes, this is fullerene. Absolutely right. Acha. The chloride that cannot get hydrolyzed is. Any idea? The chloride that cannot get hydrolyzed is. You tell me. Is it SnCl4, CCl4, PbCl4 or SiCl4? Very good. Most of you are answering. 3. No, not PbCl4. No. You have 20 days left, my dear students. The correct answer is CCl4. Correct answer is CCl4. Yes. Okay. You have forgotten. You forgotten. Okay, let's understand this. Now see, carbon has a very small size, right? And carbon belongs to the second period. Does it have any vacant 3d orbitals? Does it have any vacant 3d orbitals? You tell me. It does not have any vacant 3D orbitals. Now tell me, how is it possible for carbon, how is it possible for CCl4 to get hydrolyzed if it does not have any vacant orbital? Everything is satisfied here, right? Everything, all the valencies are satisfied already. So it cannot take in any more water molecules. It cannot take in any more water molecules, right? And that is why CCl4 is the correct answer. It cannot get hydrolyzed, okay? It cannot get hydrolyzed. Got it? Is this clear? Is this clear, everybody? Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay? Very good, Kavita. Very good. Srisham, no, not SiCl4. It's CCl4. Don't forget it. Okay? Chalo, moving on. Very good, Kavita. Now, the oxo acid of sulfur that does not contain bond between sulfur atoms. Shall we make the structure? Shall we make the structure and then answer this? Pick odd one out. Absolutely right, Srimura. Yes, it is like pick odd one out. We should make the structure. 3 maybe. You are right. You are right. You are absolutely right. It is option 3. But the structure? No, some of you are telling me option 2, option 2, option 2. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, bacha. Chalo, let's make the structure. H2S2O3. Chalo, theek hai. Does not contain bond between sulfur atoms. Okay. First one, let's make it SS. Okay. SS. No. S2. No. S2 it is. It's not like this. Correct. S2. Then you will have probably one double bond O here. Okay. One double bond O here. No. I've forgotten the structure. Wait. One second here. This is S here. Then you will have double bond O, OH. So 1, 2, and here there will be another OH. There is SS bond, right? SS bond is already there, right? Yes. Now let's go to the second one, H2S2O4. From here you can denote that it is going to be option C definitely, right? From here you can understand. Bond formation is mistake. Now is it fine? Now it is fine, no? Suresh, there is no mistake. No, there is no mistake. This is how it is, see? This is how it is. H2S2O3. This is exactly what I made. Exactly what I made. Yeah, option C is the correct answer. Yes, 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 bacha, yes. Suresh, now is it fine? It is correct. Don't confuse me like that. Okay? So we have all the structures here. You have all the structures here. You can check it out. Yes, correct. Now you are changing your answers. Anyway, next question. The paired, do you remember that I had told you, please don't forget to, please. Okay, do you remember that I told you that please do not forget to take a look at the oxo acids of sulfur, oxo acid of phosphorus? Do you remember this? Even in the P block mind map that I did, I had told you clearly that do not forget the oxo acids. It's very, very, very important. Okay? Chalo, next question. The pair that contains 2 pH bond in each of oxo acid is? What do you think? What do you think? H4P2O5. H4P2O5. Chalo, let's draw it. H4P2O5, right? Then there will be 2P. This one will have 1 O, correct? Then it will be double bond O, then H4P2O5. 1, 2, 3. Here there will be H. There will be 1 OH here. Then there will again be here 1 H and OH. 1 H, OH. Right? This is P2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and H4. Correct? Now does this have pH bond? This does not have pH bond. That means wrong. This does not have pH bond. Oh no, this has pH bond. This has pH bond. And then it has 2 pH bonds. See, 1, 2. 2 pH bond is there. Now H4P2O6. Do this one. Do this one, H4P2O6. H4P2O6, does this have H4P2O6? Guys, are you solving it or not? Somebody is saying 4, somebody is saying nah. Periodic tree, Samanvita, I have given actually, I have given. Wait a second, I am waiting. Chalo batao. H4P2O6. Chalo, let's draw this also. Let's draw it here. H4. H4P2O6. H3PO2 has 2 pH bonds. Very good, very good. Very good. Absolutely right, bacha log. So यहाँ पे let's draw this also. Let's draw this also. Right? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh. This does not have. So that means option A is wrong. H3PO3, does this have? H3PO3, does this have, everyone? How to remember this structure? I had given you the whole sheet, bacha. I had given you the whole sheet. So you will have to practice it, okay? You will have to practice it. You will have to practice it. Cool. H3PO3 does not have, H3PO2 has. That means this is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer, okay? This is the correct answer. ठीक है? चलो, moving on. Next question. Good reducing nature of H3PO2 is attributed to, we just did it. Which just did it. The good reducing nature of H3PO2 is attributed to the presence of, absolutely right, 2 pH bonds. It has 2 pH bonds. That is why it is a very good reducing power. It has very good reducing power, isn't it? Very. Option A is the correct answer. Well done. Next, the compound that does not produce nitrogen gas by thermal decomposition is, check it out. This will produce nitrogen gas. Huh? This will also produce nitrogen gas. This will also produce nitrogen gas. But will this produce nitrogen gas? No. Option D is the correct answer. Yes. Option D is the correct answer. No. Check it out. Here are the reactions, bachalo. Here are the reactions. See. NH4-2Cr2O7, when you heat it, it does form nitrogen gas. Yes. NH4NO2, yes, it does form nitrogen gas. NH4-SO4 forms NH3, does not form nitrogen gas, right? Does not form nitrogen gas, alright? Okay. So that is the correct answer. Okay? EMCAT class, we will start very soon, bacha. Right now, because JEE exam is like banging on the door, we have to do that more, okay? But EMCAT will also be starting, don't worry. Acha, the pair in which phosphorus atoms have a formal oxidation state of +3 is, oh, you tell me this. What is pyrophosphorus, bacha? Pyrophosphorus is H4P2O5. What is hypophosphoric acid? When will the session be completed? Maybe around 9:30. Maybe around 9:30, okay? What is hypophosphoric acid, bacha? Hypo is H4P2O6, okay? What is orthophosphorus acid? Ortho is H3PO3. Now calculate. Hypophosphoric acid you already know. Pyrophosphorus you already know. Pyrophosphoric acid. What is pyrophosphoric acid? Batao. What is pyrophosphoric acid? Pyro is H4P2O7. Huh? Okay, now calculate. Now calculate. Moonlight Gaming, where are you going? Calculate this and tell me which one has +3 oxidation state. Batao. Calculate the oxidation state, guys. How do you calculate the oxidation state? Everybody knows this, right? Chalo, let's calculate for this one. Let's calculate for this one, okay? So what do we know? What do we know? P, we will take it as X. Then we know that 5 oxygen always has -2, and here it will be 1, right? Here it will be 1, isn't it? You are looking crazy. Acha bacha, theek hai. I am crazy. Chalo, theek hai. I am crazy. Cool. Here it will be 4. So 4 plus X plus 5 minus 2. How will you calculate this? And this whole thing will be equal to 0. So that means 4 plus X, 5 2s are -10. So X will be equal to -10 plus 4 -6. Right? That means X is equal to 6. Correct? Yes. Now calculate for the other ones. No, this is 2x. Sorry, 2x. 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 So X is equal to 3. Yeah. This has +3 oxidation state. This has +3 oxidation state. If you calculate for all the other ones, yeah, 2x. It is, yes. Which one? Pyrophosphorus H4P2O5 does have, and then which one? No one is telling me the correct answer. The correct answer is option 4. Pyrophosphorus acid has, and orthophosphorus acid also, if you calculate for it, you will find +3 oxidation state, okay? Bacha Madhav, I'll tell you this later. Right now, please focus here, okay? Solve the question. Solve the question. Now, amongst H2O and H2S, H2SC and okay, this is this thing, right? Kaise O5? Oxidation state 5, huh? समझ नहीं आया. What are you talking about? कौन सा पूछा आपने? कौन सा पूछा बच्चा? ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कैलकुलेट किया ना हम लोगों ने. ये था ना 5, बिकॉज ये देखो 5 ऑक्सीजन है ना यहाँ पे. H4P2O5, so there are 5 oxygen, that's why 5, ठीक है? That's why you have to multiply it with 5 ना. Okay, now this is a repeated question, we know this, right? H2O because of hydrogen bonding. This is a repeated question. We have done it in this thing also. We have done it in periodic properties as well, correct? So that's the correct answer. ठीक है? चलो, moving on. The number of POP bonds in cyclic metaphosphoric acid. This is 3. Remember this thing? The structure of cyclic metaphosphoric acid. Do you remember? Yeah, this is the correct answer. See, POP1, POP2, POP3. 3. This is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. है ना? Moving on. A group 15 element which is a metal and forms a hydride with strongest reducing power. Group 15 hydride, the element is. Which one is the answer? Thank you, Indu. Indu, please focus here. Bacha, focus on the problem solving, bacha. Not on my face right now. SB, are you sure? No. Samanvita, you are absolutely right. It is bismuth. Yes, it is bismuth. Okay, bismuth has the correct answer. Right, absolutely right. Chalo, moving on. There is no SS bond in. There is no SS bond in. SS bond. Moonlight Gaming, Krishant Nishant. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. It is this. Take a look at the structure again, bachalo. Take a look at the structure again here. See? This one has SOS. SOS. So there is no SS bond here, right? There is no SS bond. SOS bond is there. Absolutely right. Which of the following has OO linkage? If you know the name, you will be able to answer. If you know the name, you will be able to answer. Do you know the name? Do you know the name? Peroxy. Which one has peroxy? This is called as peroxy linkage, no? This is peroxy linkage, isn't it? So which one will it be? Very easy, very easy, very easy if you just know the name. Option B, yes. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer, okay? Yes. What you want me to tell you the name? Want me to tell you the name? Okay, the first one is dithionic acid. Okay. All right. The second one is, it is available, bacha. Yes, it is available. It is available. Yes. The second one is what? Peroxydisulfuric acid. Okay. It is peroxydisulfuric acid. All right. Okay. The rest also I have given it to you. You find it out and write it down. Or do you want me to tell you this also? Huh? This is thiosulfuric acid. Chalo, I'll tell you only. And what is the last one? Who can tell me the last one answer? What is the last one? What is the last one? Chalo, last one, you tell me the answer. I'm going to wait. Go ahead, let me know. Tell me. Yes, Shrimura, we will go. Just write down the name. Chalo, anyway, theek hai. Which one of the following is the strongest base? You know this answer, right? You know this answer. Which one is the strongest base here? Ashwant, are you sure? Are you sure? Very good. Absolutely right. It is NH3. It is NH3. Well done, well done, well done. Why? Why is NH3 the correct answer? Here it is written here, okay? Here it is written. Basic strength decreases from top to bottom. NH3 is the strongest base. We all know that. We all know that. This was easy. Amongst the trihalides of nitrogen, which one is least basic? Which one is least basic? Bolo, bolo. Which one is the least basic one? Amongst the trihalides of nitrogen, which one? Very good. Smart hack and Shrimura. You guys are able to clear everything. NF3 is the correct answer. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yes. Very good. Very good. Moving on. Bonds present in N2O5 are very easy. This is very easy, right? Covalent and coordinate bonds are available. Option B is the correct answer. We don't even have to solve it. We know this. No, moonlight gaming, no, bacha. Take a look at it. Take a look at the structure. Take a look at the structure. You can understand that it has covalent and coordinate. Both the bonds are present. Okay? Yes, no problem. Acha, match the list. Shall we match the list? Let's match it. Haber's process. What does Haber's process give you? NH3. Ostwald's process. Ostwald's process gives you HNO3. Contact process gives you H2SO4. And this will give you ale extraction. So that means A3B1C4. Option C. Option 3 is the correct answer, right? Option 3 is the correct answer, isn't it? Very good, very good. Yes. Well done. Okay, we got this answer. This was easy too. Next, chlorine on reaction with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide will give you what? Okay, NaOH plus Cl. If I do chlorine on reaction with hot and concentrated, what will I get? I will definitely get some NaCl. Plus I will get some NaClO3, right? That means that Cl minus, ClO3 minus. Option C? Option C is the correct answer. Make sense? Does it make sense, everybody? Are we understanding? Great. Okay. Chalo, moving on. Iodine reacts with HNO3 to yield Y. What does it form? Iodine, if it reacts with HNO3, it will form HiO3 along with other products. There are also other products, right? Now, the oxidation state of iodine in Y is, okay, let's find it out. What do we have? 1 plus X plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So, we have 1 plus X plus 3, 2s are 6. So, minus 6 is equal to 0. That means X is equal to 5. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Yes, we figured it out. Oxidation state. Chalo, moving on. The type of hybridization and number of lone pairs of electrons of Xe in XeO4 respectively are. Very easy. There are 5 bond pair, 1 lone pair, isn't it? Option 1, bacha. Option 1. Yes, 5 bond pair, 1 lone pair. 5 bond pair, 1 lone pair. This is what you will get. This is what you will get. Yes, sp3d2 and 1. बना के दिखाओ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. भैया कहाँ पे हो अभी? हाँ, अभी ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर आपके उंगली में होना चाहिए. अभी ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर जो है ना ऐसे स्नैप में आना चाहिए. कैलकुलेट करना बता दिया ना. नाउ यू आर आस्किंग मी कि स्ट्रक्चर बना के दिखाओ. वो समय तो चला गया. यू हैव टू गिव एग्जाम इन द नेक्स्ट 20 days. चलो, एनीवे, ओके. Which of the following reaction is an example of a redox reaction? Just take a look at the answer. Just take a look at the option and tell me. Which is it? Which is it? XeF4 plus O2F2 XeF6. This is an oxidation reaction. This is a redox reaction. Yes. Isn't it? Is this not a redox reaction? This is a redox reaction. First option itself is a redox reaction. Yeah, absolutely. Very good. You haven't studied block chemistry, bacha. Block chemistry, I have taken it in bits and parts and I have explained, I have given you very easy explanation. Why don't you put my videos in 1.5x or 1.25x and just go through them. I am hoping that you will be able to understand. Just go through them once. If you still don't understand, then you can definitely come back and ask me doubts. In the next session, I'll try to answer your doubts. Okay? Alright. Chalo. Next. Which among the following is the most reactive? We know that it has to be ICl. Interhalogen compounds are more reactive, right? Except fluorine. Except fluorine, interhalogen compounds are more reactive, isn't it? So that means it is option D. Bas, very easy answer. Very easy answer. Bacha, please dhyan se na, do the inorganic part. Inorganic will bring you 30 to 34% from the chemistry, right? Chemistry as a whole has physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. So why don't you take care of the inorganic first and then take care of the, take care of this thing. Physical part. I think these both together will only get you maximum amount of marks. If you can go for organic also. But inorganic itself has 34% of the whole chemistry paper. So if you study inorganic, which is mostly what? You have to just keep things in your head. I have explained them. Most of them I have explained it. So just go through them. You will be able to solve them. Okay. You will be able to solve them. And right now, your job is to just solve maximum number of problems. Just maximum number of problems. You have to keep solving and only then you will be able to get where you want. How to remember equations? Practice them again and again. And also have analogies. You know what? I'll take a class on the name reactions of inorganic. Okay, I'll do that. Anyway, which one has the highest boiling point? We all know that xenon has, right? Xenon has the highest boiling point, isn't it? Organic is easy, but organic you need to remember those mechanism and everything also. Inorganic is very easy. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sai Prashant. Acha, xenon is the correct answer. Next question. Among the following oxo acids, the correct decreasing order of acidic strength is this. Has to be option A. Why? Acidic strength increases as oxidation number of central atom increases. Sorry, I said it ulta. No, I said it right. Acidic strength increases as the oxidation number of the central atom also increases. Okay, if the oxidation number of the central atom increases, then acidic strength will also increase. So that way, if you just calculate for all of them, then you will find that option B is the correct answer. Cool? All right. The shape of XeO2F2 molecule is, I had told you that these xenon compounds are very important. See, questions have come. Batao, theek hai, thoda time de do. You take your time and tell me the answer. Batao, what is it? Who is telling me that? Chalo, let's solve it. XeO2F2, right? O, double bond O, F. What is the answer? Answer is seesaw. Option 4 is the correct answer. See? Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Chalo, next. A xenon compound A upon partial hydrolysis gives XeO2F2. The number of lone pairs of electrons present in compound A is. ये बताओ, ये बताओ. बताओ. Thank you, बच्चा. Thank you, Indu. Thank you so much. Chalo, tell me this answer. How, Samanvita? How did you calculate this? How did you calculate this? Yes, yes, it is XeF6. Very good. Chalo, Xe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Xe. And 6. Right? Now what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And xenon will also have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is the correct answer. 19. The number of lone pairs of electrons are 19. Xe also has one lone pair. Yes, I've given it. Yes. Okay? All right. Got it? Yeah, but no, bacha, what we are doing is right now we are trying to solve for JEE questions. Okay, so JEE previous year questions and some JEE problems we are solving. So basically we are collaborating both 11th as well as 12th. Okay, Ashwin? All right. Yes, this is very easy, right? This is very easy. Harini, these are the questions that have come. You can check it out, bacha. You can check it out. P block has these kind of questions only. And you know what? These are not very simple questions. When you sit in the exam hall, that's when your mind shuts down. So it feels like how to calculate it. Yeah, but P block has these kind of questions. Like I told you, do not forget to take a look at, Harini, do not forget to take a look at oxo acids of sulfur, oxo acids of phosphorus. Don't forget to take a look at the xenon compounds, alright. And what else? Don't forget to take a look at the name reactions of P block. P block has a lot of name reactions, right? P block has a lot of questions, isn't it? So a lot of reactions. So please take a look at that also. How to remember equations, Tanish Babu? Just go and check out my P block, my P block the lecture. It's there in the channel. If you see it, I have given you very nice connections to it. And just write it down. Once you write it down, twice you write it down, and you have very nice, you know, your very nice connections I have given. From there you will be able to remember it. Okay? Just go and check it out once. Organic named reaction, but I'm not teaching you organic here. Organic is actually taught by Wasim sir. Physical chemistry is also taught by Wasim sir. I'm only helping him with the inorganic part. Okay? Inorganic I'm teaching. Organic and physical chemistry is taught by Wasim sir. Alright? Okay, bacha? Among 12th P block also. Same Ashwin. Same. Whatever I'm telling right now, just remember them. Okay? Just remember them. Okay? Chalo. Oh, done. We are done. We are done for the day today. We are done for the day. Okay? Okay? Second year syllabus exam. Can you please tell me the important? I'm so sorry. Should have told me a little bit earlier. But for inorganic, I can tell you that from D and F block, there will be some questions. From P block, definitely a lot of questions. Take a look at that. Don't forget that. Apart from that, periodic properties, exceptions and trends. Don't forget. Okay? All right. Oh, thank you so much, Shiva. Thank you so much. Where did you post? The notes, I'll be posting it on Telegram channel. Okay? I'll be posting the notes in Telegram channel. By any chance, if you want to stay connected to me, then you can follow me on Instagram, but not right now. Right now, I would suggest that please get rid of the distractions and study. After maybe giving your JEE exams and everything, then you can come back. Okay? Tanish Babu, I had actually given you a detailed, marks weightage also. Please check that out. No, right now I can't remember from the top of it. Okay? Groups, no. P block, all of them are required. All of them are required. Just don't go for 16 and 17. Go for all of them. Okay? With this note, everybody, that's all for today's session. Thank you so much. I will see you all very soon. Don't forget to also go for your self-study. Self-study is very important. And please Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is your own channel. The more you like, share and subscribe, the more you share it with your friends, more number of students can benefit it. So bye bye everybody, and good night and a happy new year. May all your goals get achieved this year. Bye. See ya. See ya. Bye bye.